All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, maybe good night to everyone, depending on where you are in the world. Welcome to the Debutify second webinar. And I'm super excited to have you all here with me today. If you were with us last week, then you know how much fun we had getting to know Debutify's products. And if you missed it, don't worry, you can catch up on the highlights by eating a whole tub of ice cream and binge watching our recording. But today we're taking things to the next level and getting to know Debutify's baby, the Debutify theme. You see, before Debutify came along, creating a killer website with Shopify was like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It was just not meant to be. So you had to install multiple apps and hopefully they would play nicely together. That's like trying to get along with your boss and your in-laws, but let's face it, that's not gonna happen. So, but not anymore, because Debutify is like a superhero in disguise, ready to save the day and make your life a whole lot easier. We've created an ecosystem of apps that work together seamlessly, so you don't have to. The best part is we're all about converting your visitors into customers from the very start. So buckle up and get ready to see how the Beautify themes features can make your brand soar like a bird, swim like a fish, or run like a cheetah. It's unlike any other Shopify theme out there. Designing with branding, ease of use, customizability, conversion, and customer retention in mind. And that, my friends, is worth the weight in gold. So sit back, relax, and let's have some fun exploring the Debutify theme and its features together. And who knows, you might learn a thing or two, or at least some jokes you can use on your next dinner party. All right, let's dive into the amazing features of the Debutify theme. Firstly, it has a fully customizable layout that allows you to create a unique look for your brand. But before we dive into the details, I want to know, have you struggled with finding the right theme that matches your brand's vision? Yeah, I can see. So take these brands, for example. We have a beauty and cosmetics brand, fitness, lifestyle, health. These all use the Beautify theme and they've made it their own. So when you look at them, it doesn't look like it's actually coming from a theme. So whatever industry you're in, the Beautify theme can work for you. So it's also a responsive theme that works flawlessly on all devices. How many of you have experienced frustration with your website not looking or functioning well on mobile devices? It might be really good in the PC, but it might not be the best for mobile. So seriously, like with me, with ADHD, if a website doesn't load in 5 seconds, I will forget why I came there and move on. I think it's the same with your customers. So with most of the traffic coming from mobile, it's crucial to have a theme that looks good and functions well on all devices. So Debutify is also super easy to use for you, even for those with no prior coding or design experience. I mentioned this a little bit back in the previous webinar that Debutify is codeless. You don't need to know how to code in order to use Debutify. Raise your hand if you've ever felt intimidated by tech speak and design tools. That's me. Yes, guys. So with the Debutify theme, you don't need to be a tech expert to create a beautiful website like this. The theme is user-friendly, codeless, and easy to navigate. So you can just focus on running your business and not wrestling with technology. We also have 50 plus built-in add-ons that can help you boost your sales. Some of our frequently used add-ons are the Page Speed Booster, Cart Upsell, and the Smart Search, and a lot more. These add-ons are all included with the Debutify theme, so you can start using them right away. And since they're exclusively made for Debutify, they won't slow down your site's load speed no matter how many you use. Plus, you can save thousands of dollars on third-party apps because everything is included in one theme. With the Debutify theme, you also get reliable support from a team of experts who are always ready to help. How many of you have ever felt stuck with a technical issue and couldn't find the help that you needed? A lot of us, right? So if you bump into any of these problems while using the Debutify theme, or if you have questions about how to use it, we ensure you'll get the help that you need. That's why we provide multiple ways to assist you. You can visit the Help Center, where you'll find answers or FAQs. But if you need more help, we're always just a message away. We offer support via chatbot, live chat, and email. And if you're subscribed to the Enterprise plan, you get priority customer and development support. Next, Debutify gets regular updates that ensure you're always up to date with the latest trends. With the Debutify theme, you don't have to worry about your store being outdated. We regularly release updates that includes new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. We also have flexible plans that fit any budget. The Debutify theme offers 4 subscription plans compared to other themes with just a steep one-time fee. And you can even choose to pay monthly or yearly. So amplify the power of the Debutify theme by integrating it with our trusted apps. Have you ever wished you could just have everything in one place? Well, with the Debutify theme, you can. Our theme works seamlessly with our trusted apps, so you can get the most out of your theme and boost your brand's growth. How cool is that? Finally, guys, because the Debutify theme has a seamless integration with our very favorite Shopify, you can rest assured that it will always be compatible with the latest version of Shopify's platform. And finally, the cherry on top with the Debutify theme, you don't have to worry about all these compatibility issues. It's seamless with Shopify, and it will always work with the latest version. Who wouldn't want peace of mind when it comes to their website, right? All right, guys, we are reaching the end of this webinar. And I hope you had so much fun learning about the Debutify theme, like I had hosting it. So what do you guys think? Are you feeling a little bit more confident about choosing the Debutify theme for your store now? Good. So to recap, we've seen how the Debutify theme can help you boost your brand's growth with its fully customizable layout, responsive design, user-friendly interface, reliable support, and a lot more. Before I say goodbye, I wanted to give a quick shout out to all of you for joining us today. You guys are the best. So keep an eye out for our next webinar where we'll be diving deep into those 50 plus add-ons that I've talked about that comes with the Debutify theme and how you can use them to drive sales and improve your customer experience. We'll be showing you some examples, tips, and best practices for using these add-ons to maximize your store's potential. With that, I'll sign off, and I hope to see you all soon in our next webinar. Take care. Have a great day, guys.